It's still saying cannot restore backup when I tried a different backup. Won't back up either one. Online backup restore for iPad SUCKS. Okay, that's my review. I can't restore from anything. Do you guys test your stuff, Apple? Do you even test your stuff? It's crazy. After I factory reset and tried to restore, the backup failed, and it's saying it's using 25 gigabytes for the other stuff. This is literally super lame. I can't update the iPad. I can't do anything because of this. There's no way to wipe that out. So I'm gonna factory erase it one more time.